Monday ELA book reflection, main character. Dear readers, welcome back. How are you? Are you centered, feeling, thinking, believing, or acting? Distance learning, think to self, and in person we'll have a quick circle share. Here's your video. Ignite. Do you remember thinking about character traits and or problems in a novel? Chunk into pieces. Character traits like kindness, selfishness, bravery, generousness, silliness, joyfulness, sadness, loving, fighter, or brave. All right, and problems. Lack of resources, despair, lack of information, misunderstandings, lack of perspective, disorientation, lack of empathy, or lack of understanding. And chew on it. Ha, from inside out and back again. In the beginning, she could be sneaky. On the boat, Ha helps her brother deal with sudden traumatic change with kindness and a generous act. She uses her one possession to cradle his dear chick who had died for a serious burial at sea that helps him transition. Bert Simpson, funny, creative, flexible thinker. Mind main character, so your noticings or sentences from the book. Review. So far, my main character is... I predict that the character's traits will affect how they deal with the main problem of the book because, or just make a prediction about the main problem of the book so far, or what will happen. Homework. I posted this homework before MCAs, so you do not need to reread it. I'm sharing the same information in case someone missed this homework. To get ready for Wednesday's community building, find something to share with us. Look around your house and find 3 things that represent you, things that are important to you, things that you can tell a story about, things you made yourself. Then narrow it down to 1 thing and bring it to class Wednesday or upload a picture to the assignment. It will be great to take some time to build community so when we have questions or problems, we know each other a little better. Thank you for your efforts. Dr. Stacker.